have a few sorpresas. Un poquitico de sorpresas. So come with me and welcome to José Domestic's Domesticated Dogs and Cats. This right here is the best part of our whole exhibit. It is the bird exhibit, the domesticated birds. They don't fly far, but they fly close. Right here, as you can see, we have parakeets. These parakeets are very, very special in that they are battery-powered birds. So what's cool about these birds that they have a little pee-pee switch right here. They go like that right there. And they start chirping away. Can you imagine? For an easy 3 payments of $9.99 plus shipping and handling, I was able to get 2 birds with the pee-pee switch. Because birds and parakeets like these are lonely if they're not in pairs. That's just a bird fact. And by the name of Joey Passage. Joey Pasaje, bro. Pasaje, bro. Passage where? Where are you going, dude? Of his exoticness, because that's what I saw in him. Exotico, un gringo, because you know where I'm from, dude. We don't have a lot of gringuitos here. I used to be into furries, you know. I got into the furry game. Turns out it's human trafficking, so that's a no-go.